What we are going to be doing today is putting you as cartographers, explorers. You're going to be explorers today. And what your agenda and assignment is going to be able to mark and chart out a route independent of each other. So there will be two groups. Each group will be given a route. In 10 minutes time, you'll have to come back from the route, represent that route as a map with as much detail that you can provide for your other team that's going to be interpreting the map. The other team will then interpret the map, take your route, and then we will see which team comes back first.
That's pretty much long. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Right out there! Look at those! Wait, now we have to white box.
No, and then we have to turn.
There's no marking. Oh, I can see a white box in the front.
Where?
Right there.
No, wait. What about the map helped you find the treasure?
We have drawn the roads also, the T crossing.
Okay.
We have taken a shortcut. We have taken from the bushes. We didn't go. We didn't take the way. Yeah, this way.
So, your map was much better.
And we have written the bushes also.
We have our first case to solve. Data interpretation, how detectives use it. Your body is available. You have a body and there are some clues on the body. Right? Your task, if you so choose to take it, is to be able to decode each of the clues. As investigators, what are your prime skills that you will be using? Yes?
We have to go step by step and we have to observe the clues very closely.
So observation is a prime skill. Second skill.
If we get one big clue, we should not like think, okay, this guy is the murderer. We should give you all the clues.
Yes, that means don't miss out any clues, right? Every clue speaks to you.
हमको ऐसा लगता है कि नवीन
आपको लगता है is not good enough. You have to crack the case by solving it. One clue.
He is drunk maybe because of the glass.
There is a glass. He has drunk something. There was a biscuit. That means what was happening?
They were eating food.
Yes.
They were eating and drinking. Bag.
Fine then.
There was a bag. Then there's blood on the steering wheel.
There's blood on the steering wheel. Whose blood is it?
Huh? No, it's Naveen wise because he was driving it. See,
You're saying he was driving. आप चला रहे थे, right?
but we can't believe him.
So I don't care whether you believe it.
why the blood
You
on
have to prove it. Something in the car can easily prove whether Hitendra was driving or Naveen was driving. So go and find it. Please hear very carefully.
On the driving side, the seat is more near. It's more flat. That means some short person has to make his legs reach. He has made the seat in front. And that seat is like this because he wanted to rest. So he was eating and food and everything is lying on that seat only. The driver cannot eat food and drink. Yeah, that's it!
I'm saying in life. I'm saying in life, when do you recognize that you need to interpret data?
Yeah.
Yes.
When you go shopping,
Okay.
you notice the price, you notice the price tag, and then you say, "La la la." Using the manufacturing date to say where it is.
What about simple thing like crossing the road?
You see,
So we have universal, cultural, contextual data.
ma'am, even when reading a newspaper or books, even watching movies,
Even domain-based data.
even simple things like buying vegetables.
But what is true is, the smaller pictures were making up the bigger. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. They took all the pieces of the jigsaw puzzle, put it together and said, that's what's happening. Whereas you guys assumed that one portion that you saw of little cloud on one of the pieces was the sky. But that piece could actually have been the sheep